Welcome back to the FA Scat channel, guys. Today I have something for my exhaust that's going to fix the active exhaust feature. And what I mean by that is instead of having your car in track mode just so that exhaust or the active exhaust could remain open, what this is going to help me do is keep the exhaust open in all modes to have that rich, loud, nice exhaust. I don't want to do a mid muffler delete. I think this is perfect for me. Just keep that exhaust nice and open to create that nice deep sound that I like. But let's open this up. All right. And I got this from MFER1.com. Please follow instructions. And here they are, one for each side. Anything else in here? Just instructions on how to do everything here. Three pages long. Let's put that to the side and open this up right here. This is how they look like. Right there. One more thing, this is going to be the hardware for it. It's already assembled in the way that you need to put this on. And I'll go more in detail once we're down underneath the car and installing this. But this is exactly what it looks like. All right. Of course, the first thing you want to do is jack up the car. Put your jack stands there, and then you're all ready to go down there and do what you got to do. All right, now that we're here underneath the car, what you're gonna need is this 8mm ratchet, and you're gonna need to disconnect the active exhaust. In order to do that, there's a tab right here. You just push this in and lift up. Easy as that. Put that to the side. And then you're going to take your 8mm and remove the active exhaust module. When taking this out, try to keep the spring in the same position that it's currently in, so then it's easy for you to put this whole thing back once it's time. All right, now you're gonna grab your MFER1. I got the Extreme version, and grab the right one. There we go. Alright guys, so it actually does not matter which one you use. Both of these are the same, so both the left and the right are going to be the same thing. The only thing that you have to make sure is that this metal piece right here catches on to the bottom of this right there. So when you're putting your fitting in there,
You can see it right there a little bit in that hole. There, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's caught on there, and that's what you want to do. All right, now that you have that in place, you're going to take your screw or your nuts right here, and basically you're going to put it in the same order that it's in right now. So the first thing is going to be that bottom screw. All right, and then just follow everything the same way it comes. All right, this comes with a hex, but I don't have the hex that fits that size, so a T10. If you have a T10, that's all you're gonna need, really. You don't have to tighten it too hard, so a T10 will do the trick. All right, now you're gonna take your washers, put those in there. All right, the only thing that you should be left with is gonna be these nuts. And then you're gonna grab your active exhaust module right here, and you're gonna put it back in the same position that you grabbed it in. Try to put it as evenly as possible to avoid it from getting stuck. All right, now you're just gonna put your nuts back in there. All right, looking good. This is how it's gonna look, just like that. All right, and then you're just gonna repeat exactly what you do here on the other side, and then you're practically done. And one more thing, don't forget to plug it back in. You're gonna need to loosen this up a little bit so I can reach. And try to loosen this up a little bit more. All right, and there you have it. It's all set now.
All right, now that we're done installing and the jack stands are out the way, all we gotta do is bring down the car. Just like that. By the way, this is one of my favorite jack stands right here. This is gonna be your Daytona low profile, long reach. It's one of the best jacks out there. I got this one from Harbor Freight. It's pretty useful. All right, now that we have the vehicle down and the MFER1 installed, we're going to do a quick startup here. All right, guys, just like that, everything seems to be good. Now we can put it in any mode, whether it's custom, sport, or track. The exhaust is always going to remain open, and you're not gonna get any like error codes for installing these. That's the whole purpose of installing these, is so they could remain open without you getting any error codes or any check engine lights or anything like that in the vehicle while maintaining those exhausts. While maintaining the exhaust open. If you guys want a discount off of this, I'm gonna put the link to the website directly on my comments, as well as if it changes for some reason right now, the code is F8SCAT, but if that does change down the future, I'll update it in the comments. But yeah, if you want a discount off of those and you want to get one for yourself, use code F8SCAT, and if it changes, look in the description and I'll update it there. But that is going to be it for this one, guys. You guys know the drill. Like always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for showing me love and support. If you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing. Like, share, comment, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.